Welcome to our channel. Watching pay-per-view and premium sports legally requires purchasing through official channels. Follow these step-by-step instructions for legitimate access. Step 1. Understand that pay-per-view events are priced to cover production costs, athlete pay, and venue expenses. These events require payment for legal access. Step 2. For boxing and MMA, purchase PPV events through ESPN+, DAZN, or your cable or satellite provider's PPV service. Step 3. For WWE events, subscribe to Peacock Premium, which includes all WWE pay-per-views as part of the monthly subscription. Step 4. For UFC events, purchase through ESPN+. Build a subscription if you're a regular viewer, or buy individual events as they occur. Step 5. Check if your cable or satellite provider offers PPV ordering through their app or website for convenient at-home viewing. Step 6. Consider watching parties where multiple people split the cost of a pay-per-view event. This is legal and reduces individual expense. Step 7. For major sporting events like the Super Bowl or World Cup, check if they're available on free broadcast TV or streaming apps. Step 8. Never use apps or streams claiming to provide free access to PPV events. This is theft of services, which is illegal and prosecuted. Support athletes and organizations by paying for premium content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.